Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So yesterday I learned one-to-one eloquent in laravel, and today I just learned just sneak peek how it works and all. I just saw that one, and I think I am confident that I will make one-to-many relation, because one-to-one and one-to-many are practically the same. Just it just had a little bit of change, but we need to understand the core concept of it. And I have this drill provided by ChatGPT that I have to make one to one. Okay, you are one to one and one to many. Create a mini drill project so you can practice both in a simple way. Drill idea is blog with user and post. That is relationship you will use one to one user and profile, one to many user and post. So actually I need user table, user model, profile and post. So let's just get started. And one more thing, I have this blog, my own blog. I have written one-to-one eloquent project. I think I written it yesterday, and I will be seeing this one for hints and all. Okay, let me create a project. Let me go to this folder, create project. Okay, composer, create project, create project, laravel, one-to-one and many. I'll just write this one. In the meantime, let's make database, localhost phpMyAdmin. Let me just create the database with the same name, one-to-one and many. Let me just copy this one, create one-to-one and many. It is created here. Okay, it is loading. I don't know why it is taking so much time. Okay, it is doing its thing. Okay, I think it just finished. Let me just ls cd one-to-one and many ls. Okay, all the files are here. Let me just open it in VS Code and let me just set the database. Okay, MySQL, and here we'll have we'll have the database name one-to-one and many. And let me bring back the terminal. Okay, I will not do anything right here right now. So first thing we need to make, let me go back to the drill. First thing we'll make profile, table and okay, I think user it is by default. Let me see migration. Here we have user table. It is default, is there by default. I need to make profile and post. Okay, PHP artisan make model profile -m. It will just create the migration file as well. Okay, it is saying could not open input file artisan make. Okay, there is error. PHP artisan make post, make post, profile and post, profile, profile minus m. Again it is saying showing with PHP artisan make model, profile, profile minus m. Okay, now it is created successfully. I don't know what was the error last time. I think it was typo error or something. So profile is done. We need to make post as well. Post. Okay, it has created. You can see right here. Profile and post. We close this, we don't need this. Okay, in profile what? Data stable user. It has not said what we need in profile. Let's say table profile. Okay, we need user ID. Table unsigned big integer user ID unique. Unsigned big integer user ID okay, unsigned big integer user ID unsigned. I want to make it foreign. Let me just copy this one. Let me just see. Come back here. ChatGPT. Just go here. Okay, 1-to-1. Can I make this foreign element in just a single line code? So it is foreign ID constant. In laravel you can define a foreign in single line using foreign ID method. If we can do this, make foreign ID in a single line, what is the point of this? There is main difference in convenience versus control. It only creates a column, nothing else. It does not add a foreign key constant. You need to manually. This creates column ID in one line. By default, it assumes the foreign elements column, the foreign plural. You can extend it until basket. Which is better than? Which is better? And what we are building? foreign ID constraint bit only bit for most cases shorter and cleaner one only. Okay, this one I need this one then. Sorry. I need this one. Okay, profile, bio, location, website. Okay, it's saying it is, and then I will just fill it. Bio, location, website. Okay, because of course profile will have bio, location, website, and user it will have name and all. Okay, name, email, password. Name, email, password. Okay, let me go to post. Want one user to profile, user to post. User to post, how it is done? Let me just go to user ID. Profile it had by and phone number as well. Profile, by location, I think post. Okay, user ID. Yep, I was saying the same thing. Dollar table variation foreign ID user ID constraint on cascade. Yeah, constraint on delete post, and it will have title and content. Let me see first. This is user table. It has name, email, and all. Profile, it has user ID, also has user ID. Okay, now I can just migrate it. PHP artisan. Let me see if I have. I think I did. Yep, PHP artisan migrate. No error there. Now I think I'm good to go. I'm good to go with models. One-to-one user and profile. Let me go to user. Just after that, public function. User and profile. Okay. Public function profile. Function profile. Has one, so return this has one profile class. Return this has one profile class. User to post has many. Yep. Public function post return this has many okay post I think user it had this one. Just go to profile belongs to use as factory product variable user ID by location website. Okay, it is providing me this. I accept it. User and profile one-to-one. Public function user, public function user, return dot this, return this belongs to has one belongs to user class. post. Same here, use as factory. Okay, use as factory. Use, okay, let me just copy paste it from here in a while. Again as factory, SASCTOR as factory. Let me just copy and paste it from here. protect protected. file fillable to user ID content public function user this belongs to user. Okay, since this is done, now we have to display it somehow. Let me see more. Okay, profile post, okay, done. User done, belongs to done. Okay, now we have to see the fake data, and I know how to do that exactly. Okay, I wrote an article about it. I don't fully memorize it, but I wrote article about it, how to see database. Okay, database PHP. This is fake data. Copy this one, make a seeder. Copy this one first. Okay, seeder is there. User seeder. User seeder. Okay, then we need to put it there. Okay, we don't need run. Okay, yep, user. Now there will be no problem. Now this now seeder, database seeder. Database seeder in run. Oh, I will commenting things. Oops, ran into some problem. Let me see what is the problem. I think it will be minor problem. But if there is no column named Twitter, but your user seeder may be related profiles. There is no column named Twitter. It's in profiles table. User seeder may be the related profile factor seeder. Twitter profile. Website. focus title content डाले सकते let me just not do the seeder, okay, because it is kind of wacky and all. Let me just delete this one. And let me just delete this one. Let me just clear it out. Sudo, no, not sudo, php artisan migrate. Nothing really is working this fine. Okay, let me just go there. I don't want to make the seeder. I want to manually put and view the relationship. How do I do that? Of course I need a controller for that. Perfect. Even better for learning if you manually insert data eloquent users. Let me think. Okay, what are the things I have? I have post migration for that. Let me see. I do have post. Okay, I do have profile and I do have users. So I will try to create post and I will just make a backend, and where the profile user have profile, I will need post controller for that, I think, and views and all. Okay, let's make that. Okay, let's do it. php artisan make controller post controller resource. Okay, resource is generated. Let me just close this one. Let me database. Let's close this one. Let me just close this one. I have no idea how much it is recorded. Okay, then I think I have to post profile user. User is making post. User has one profile in backend as well, and it is showing the name of the user as well. So okay, this is good. Let me just go to controller and return view post index, exactly what I needed. Okay, let me go to resources first. let me make one folder posts posts. Okay, and let me make index blade.php. Welcome to the index. I have not given the routes yet. Okay, route route get post controller index. Let me make a resource. If you can add rc resource, it is saying error because it has not imported this one. Poster index, it will work. PHP artisan sub poster index not found. Yep. Poster index not found because I think it can be a poster index. Wait. Route get post control index name poster index. Let me see. Again it is saying view poster index not found. Why is that? Okay, because I have created poster index outside this one. Welcome to index, it is saying that. So let me just pause this video and I will come back after a while.